This one is a paddy field weed, and it's also Ayurveda herb. I've seen another version of this plant above the Ghat section, that is around Shimoga and all. And then this one is notorious for these thorns. They can cause septic and all. But the herb itself, if I'm right, it's a sweet tonic herb. Edible and all that, if it is the same one. So that correct title, botanical species, I'll write on the title. This one is, it can be grown in this paddy field type of those water bodies and all. It can tolerate semi-submergence. Then when the dry period starts, it will flower off. Then dangerous thorns are there. These people haven't cultivated the paddy field, so it has come.